Look at that. Bam! All right, so let's see what these look like, huh? All right, guys, so I've been getting a lot of questions about my front differential. I put a, this is an 04 Cummins, four-wheel drive, obviously, and I put a Power Wagon locker, e-locker in the front. And so I had a lot of guys asking me about the install and how it works and all this stuff. I can tell you that this thing works awesome. Zero issues with it. Engages, disengages, flawless. Zero issues with this thing. And for those wondering, this is what we did here. I don't know if you can see that. Right there on the upper left corner is where we drilled to run the wiring from the housing down into, and then there's your positive negative wire, and we just zip tied it up in here like that, nice and clean. And then that's your, you know, the magnet. See how that kind of moves a little bit there?